You can isolate the baseboard from both the carpet and the drywall for painting without damaging either surface. Start by removing dust and loose paint from the baseboard with a soft brush or vacuum. Use a thin painter's knife to tuck a flat strip of flexible plastic or cardboard between the baseboard and carpet edge so the carpet pile lays flat and the barrier protects fibers. Hold it in place with lightweight or temporary adhesive that will not stain. For the drywall edge, apply a high-quality paper or low-tack painter's tape over the wall where it meets the top of the baseboard, pressing the tape down firmly with a plastic spreader or your fingernail to seal against paint bleed. If the joint between baseboard and drywall is uneven, run a thin bead of paintable caulk first, smooth it with a wet finger, let it cure, then tape over the dried caulk before painting so the tape sits on a uniform surface. When painting, use a sash brush sized to the height of the baseboard and load the brush lightly, stroking away from the tape and barrier so excess paint does not push under them. Work in small sections and wipe the brush edge on the container to control drips. Remove both the tape and the carpet barrier while the paint is tacky but not fully dry to avoid peeling, pulling the tape back slowly at a 45-degree angle for the cleanest edge. Common problems include paint seeping under tape on textured drywall, which you can prevent by firmly pressing tape into texture and running a thin coat of the baseboard color along the tape edge before the final coat, so the subsequent paint cannot settle into gaps. Another issue is paint staining carpet fibers when the barrier shifts, so use a rigid strip tucked well under the baseboard and secure it with a weight or low residue tape on the carpet to keep it from moving. A third concern is removing tape too late and lifting paint from the baseboard. To avoid that, remove tape while paint is still slightly tacky and pull it back slowly at a 45-degree angle. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share project experiences. We also support contractors looking for work, and we host a discussion community where users ask questions, swap tips, and post photos of techniques like carpet and drywall protection for baseboard painting.